Social Emotional Lab projects are supervised by Dr. Su-Ming Chung. The main goal of this lab is to promote individual social and emotional competence throughout the lifespan. Students learn the research process from designing the procedure and collecting data to analyzing and presenting the data in local, regional, and national conferences. Current research projects include empathy training, stress in college life, family values, and more. Feel free to contact Dr. Chung if you are interested in social emotional development.
In Dr. Dandy's Animal Learning and Behavioral Pharmacology Lab, we investigate topics pertaining to animal learning and psychopharmacology through the utilization of operant and instrumental learning tasks. Most recently, we have completed a series of studies investigating reinforcer preference and the effects of environmental enrichment and alcohol administration on the digressive displays of beta splendens. Our lab routinely presents the findings of our research at conferences such as the Southeastern Psychological Association Conference and the annual Georgia College Research Conference.
Dr. Gillis's lab explores the effectiveness of adventure therapy. He and his colleague, Dr. Keith Russell at Western Washington University, have external grant funding to study outdoor behavioral health care and treatment of young adults and adolescents with substance use issues. They hypothesize that adventure therapy is a mindful-based experience. When combined with group engagement and self-reported drug involvement, data provides insight into behavior change and relapse prevention. As students in the lab, we examine the data provided and test hypotheses which we share at professional conferences. It's an adventure in research.
In Dr. Hepner's Social Psychology and Wellness Lab, our focus is on running studies with human participants that apply social psychology to health. Current student projects are examining the effects of humor on stress and the use of stereotypes in making judgments. Future studies will examine the links between personality and eating habits and the effects of media consumption on health and relationships. We often present our research at local, regional, and national conferences. If you are interested in emotions, meditation, or health, talk to Dr. Hepner about joining the Social Psychology and Wellness Lab.
Dr. Isaac's lab provided students with research experiences ranging from initial project design to presenting their research at conferences. We continue developing learning tasks for crickets and evaluating environmental and pharmacological influences on their behavior.
We presented our research at the Southeastern Psychological Association. Also, we designed new betta fish projects and evaluated color preferences in Siamese fighting fish in our continuing collaboration with Dr. Dandy.
In the Social Issues Research Lab, we study a variety of social and cultural topics that are relevant to the development of emerging adults. Under the guidance of Drs. Wood and Taylor, we receive hands-on training in designing and implementing research studies that help us critically evaluate important social concerns and develop our own ideas about the world.
Our most recent projects investigate social stereotypes about people in poverty, connections between social media usage and well-being, and the types of assets that can predict college students' success.
Dr. White's Psychophysiology Research Lab, we examine the activity of the brain and body by collecting EEG and skin conductance data while participants complete a variety of neuropsychological tasks. Students practice preparing each other for data collection using a 32-channel cap to record EEG and finger electrodes for recording skin conductance. We use a computer program to record data during both resting conditions and during specific tasks that test attention and working memory. We practice analyzing and processing the data in WinEEG, which allows us to remove artifacts and generate a variety of measures for statistical analysis. We also process data to analyze where in the brain specific activity is coming from.
In Dr. Young's Cognitive Research Lab, we study various aspects of human cognition, including decision-making, visual attention, cognitive biases, and problem-solving. We are involved with many of the technical aspects of research projects, such as conceiving of new research ideas, developing computerized tasks, collecting data through SONA systems, and interpreting and presenting our research at local and regional conferences. We also engage in workshops to help everyone prepare for graduate school or the job market.